Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we got this brand new mower from Shandong. We will unbox it and review it for you. Because I've seen a lot of talks lately about this new mower, so we have to give our first impressions and our honest review. So let us start and we will show you now what's inside this box. Ta-da! Our first impression is this box. It's quite a good one and you can use it later. This good packaging comes with a mower. So let's start unboxing it now. These quite good bags, which as we can see here has some goodies. Maybe air filters, some parts like fuel filter, something here, and those also. This is in the first bag. Let's move to the next baggy. So for the next bag, we got the operation instruction and part list manual, which I don't know if we will read it, but we will do because it's the first time we do this. Oh, this is for the engine because this mower has a coupe engine, so I guess this is the instruction manual for the engine, the diesel engine. We have a pump. This is a diesel pump, maybe. Okay. And a lot of bolts, washers. I don't know if you can see it inside this bag. I don't want to leave it because I don't want to lose anything from here. Okay, let's move on. The mower, we tested around here to see if it's all good, and now we want to see it in action. Let's cut some grass, let's eat some wood so we can see what it really can do. Let's go. So we tested the mower. I think it is a very good design. It's a very good little tool. It's super easy. The controller is super easy to use it. Use it on a lot of hard wood and grass. The grass easily. It even cut a chain that we had there. So I think it's a very sturdy design, a very sturdy machinery from Shandong. So I think I recommend it for anyone to use it. What do you think about it? Tell us down in the comments, please. Put a like and a subscribe, and see you in the next video.